What's up, y'all? Do y'all know what we haven't had in a very long time on the video, the start of every video? A good old cold start, and that's exactly what we're gonna get done today, baby. Let's go. Guys, welcome back to another video on the Non Productions YouTube channel. Today, you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be taking off the exhaust fuse for the car to keep the active valves open all the time. So here underneath the fuse box, you have the controls. 41 right there says exhaust valve 220A, which would be this one right here. On 2015 and plus Corvettes, they would be exhaust 42, but since mine's a 42, it's exhaust 41. Now, I had a diagram I was looking on my phone earlier, and it's in between the 30 and 40 plugs. This is exhaust fuse plug 20. Thanks to Men's Warehouse over here behind us, they had an extra pair of pliers that they would let me use. But basically, we're just gonna go ahead and pull this bad bitch out if we can get it. Alright, well, took a little bit, but yeah, this is all you're going to do. Before you do that, though, you want to make sure the car is in the setting you want. So sport and track would have the valves open. If you want them closed all the time, then keep it in tour, weather, eco, and that would make it close the valves. Now, you're going to go around and test it, make sure it works. So keep the fuse, you want to throw it away. Start it up, and then I'm gonna change modes to make sure it works. Like if you look in between in the valves on the two outer ones, I believe, or maybe the inside ones and two outer ones, they'll have those flaps in the inside. And right now they're open, so they're kind of like horizontally. But if they were closed, they'd be like vertically closed shut. Right now they're open. I'm gonna turn the car on, and then it's already in sport mode. But I'm gonna switch modes, and it shouldn't change. So hopefully, that's the result we'll get. There is no check engine light, as you can see. So, and if you don't believe me, the fuse is still pulled out. I have it in here. This is the fuse 20A. Get it to zoom in or focus. But yes, this is the fuse. I have it sitting in here. There's no check engine light. And then I'm gonna go ahead and change modes. And there we go, we're in eco mode. So they should be open 24/7 now. If you can look in there and still see the flaps, I don't know if it's gonna pick up on the camera, but there was no change in tone at all. So they are open 24/7. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you all a little rev action. Alright guys, so as I was just editing right now, I noticed that I forgot to record the outro. I don't know why I keep doing that, but I mean, fuck it. I'm in my backyard right now, outside, and it's probably windy as fuck too, so I again apologize about that. But yeah, just going over some of the things that I was talking about in the video. Alright, yeah, so with the 2014 Corvettes, it's exhaust, not exhaust, fuse 41 for the active exhaust switch. So when you pull that out, and you should be good. You shouldn't get any check engine lights, and just keep the fuse in case you ever want to put it back on or something. I don't know. But for 2015 and up Corvettes, I believe it is exhaust 42. So I don't know why they made the switch or what's going on with that. But some more good news. I just got a call earlier talking about my new splitter came in. The dealership just told me my new splitter came in, and they told me that if I can come by Monday, whatever time's good for me. So I'm trying to get there as early as possible, and they should be able to get it on before I have to go to work. But the video for that probably won't be out to the next day, Tuesday, because I'm gonna have to film everything and edit, and then by the time I'll be at work, and it's just not gonna work out the way I wanted to. So the area we was at, New Braunfels Town Center, I'm actually looking at getting an apartment in that area. I really like that area. It's really nice. I do go apartment hunting. I will take you guys with me, you know, kind of get like some vlog style stuff on things, and you know, kind of change up the channel a little bit. I don't know. As you guys know, with YouTube's new requirements, 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours before you can get monetized. Nowhere near either one of those, so everything is just like on me. There's no help from my parents or, you know, YouTube or extra income, none of that stuff. So this is all me. I do want to let you guys know, you know, this stuff is possible. Is it gonna be hard? Yes. My motto is nothing worth having is easy, and no risk equals no rewards. Now when I say risk, I'm not talking about stupid risk or shit like that. You know, they need to be calculated. You need to write up a plan. Before I bought my Corvette, I wrote up an actual like budget plan, written it up and everything, looked at it every day to make sure I know that's what I want to do. And I also made a lot of sacrifices. Not saying you have to do that, but that's what I did. That's how I got it as kind of as quickly as I did. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. See if we can get Don Productions to at least 100 subscribers before the summer's over. The summer's pretty much over, but at least by the end of the month of August. I'm trying to be better on the uploads. Definitely, man, it's been slacking lately. That's unacceptable, man. 2 weeks. I mean, I didn't have my car for a whole week, but shit. Guys, follow me on social media. Everything will be down, link in the description. Subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, thank you for watching Don Productions. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Have a blessed day.